Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm about to get into a really quick cool tutorial that's going to help you to edit all of your photos in no time, literally under 1 minute, probably in 1 second. And I think this will be so good for beginners, and if you are an expert photographer then you may already know about this feature, but if you are just starting out, I want to present it to you so that you can really utilize this if you need to get some quick edits out after you have established your editing style. Alright, so let's get into Lightroom. Alright, so with my experience with Lightroom, I've been able to edit hundreds and hundreds of photos, and I have noticed that I just sometimes need to get photos done quickly. And so here's what I do. So as you can see, this photo is already fully edited. I really love the muted look on it. It's just beautiful and natural, and I loved actually working with Alex on this, so she's an awesome model. So now that the edit is done, all I'm going to do, y'all, is go right over here, and I am also in Lightroom Classic. I just love the Classic because it's pretty easy to learn. So I'm going to go right over here to presets. This is what we do. And so you're going to click this plus sign, and it's going to say create a preset. You're going to click that. And then you're going to name it whatever you want. And before I name it, you're going to click the group, and then you can scroll to the top. As you can see, I have a lot of groups. And you're going to click new group. And then you can name that as, let's say, test shoot. Okay. And then for this one, you can name it anything you want to. So I'll just do A for the beginning letter of her name, _1. So that's the first preset for this one. And then click create. And then if you scroll down over here on your presets, go all the way down to test shoot. It's right here, test shoot. You're gonna click this arrow here, and then it's right there, A1. So what you're gonna do next, you can click this arrow up here to see all of your photos. You can, let's go back to this one here. All you're gonna do is click A1, and look at that. And what you can do is adjust it to how you want to as well. And there you have it. But here's another part that makes it even quicker. You're gonna go to your library. So when you come into your library, you're gonna click on the one that you wanna edit, but then all the others that you wanna edit. And what you're gonna do, you're going to hold down Shift and click on the last one that you want to have in the group of edits. And then as you can see, all of them will be highlighted. And then what you'll do, you'll just come right over here to quick develop. And then you're going to click the saved preset. Now, A1 is already selected, but just so you can know, you're gonna go down to what we saved as test shoot, which is right here, and it's A1. And then look at what it did. It updated all of those images with the edit that we created in the preset. Now, what you can always do is go into one of the photos, and you can always adjust certain things like this, like exposure, if that's too much for you, or if you want to come down on the contrast, you know what I'm saying, and just edit what you want to do. Sometimes I like to go in and do a little bit more softening of the skin. So that's something that you can do here, you know, and just do what you have to do. But it really does create an easy way of editing so that you're not having to do so much and just go through each photo by itself. And that is one of the beautiful things about Lightroom, is that it really gives you that advantage and really cuts down time. So that's why I love it so much. Also, another final note is that this feature is really good to batch edit, but you also want to go through each photo afterwards, because think about it, all lighting may not be the same. This is actually really good if your light stays the same for the shoot, but if you have different setups, you definitely want to go through and adjust accordingly, because this one preset will not fit for all of them if your light source is different. All right, y'all, and there you have it. That was a quick tutorial on how to edit quicker. I hope you enjoyed it, and definitely let me know in the comments what other videos you may need, especially for my beginners out there, because I know you can have so many questions when you're first starting out. But once again, thank you so much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.